Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to add snow animation to your Shopify homepage. And here I am going to share a step-by-step video guideline. But that is not only a video guideline, you are also going to get free ready code snippet. So first of all, I'm going to show you the result, then I'll share the benefit, and then I'm going to share the step-by-step process how you can edit without any coding skill, without hiring any developer. So if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to add snow animation on your Shopify online store on the festival days, or like Christmas, or like a Cyber Monday, or like winter season, or like a Black Friday, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to my website. Here is my website in where I have already added the snow effect or snow animation. This is a welcome into video. So here is my Shopify online store, and you can see that there is a snow effect. You see, in while page or in full page, let me add a section, then you can understand very better way. So click on online store. Then click on the customize. I'm going to stop the premium intro video. This is very exclusive feature for any Shopify online store. I have already published the video guideline on my YouTube channel how to add premium intro video. But right now I just tell about this, and our main focus is on add snow animation. So check it more deeply. We have to add a slideshow banner. So click on the slideshow. Okay. Or I can draw another things, add a new section, then banner, image banner. Okay, then click on explore free image, search Christmas related banner, and here I'm going to add this one. Yes, you see, it's look very professional. Okay, now it's so very nicely, and I'm going to remove the content container, remove container, remove the text, remove the container, also the button text. Here is the button, and add this image height large. Yes, and just show the heading. Okay, here I'm going to add a simple text, welcome to Christmas. Okay, and then select large, and now change the text color, color scheme. Where is the color scheme? Here is the color scheme. Okay, we're going to change color scheme 3. Yes, now it looks good, and then we can remove this one and click on the save. So now it looks very professional, and you can understand very deeply our snow effect, and you can see that, you see, looking so good and of course professional and unique. You can add this picture on this festival or upcoming winter season or Christmas. Okay, and now we are going to learn more about this. So what we are going to learn here, why add snow animation to your Shopify store. So first of all, we have to know why actually we are going to add this snow animation. Seasonal animation like falling snow can significantly enhance your store's visual appeal and create a memorable shopping experience. Here, why you should consider adding snow animation. First of all, boost holiday sales with festival atmosphere, increase engagement with interactive element, improve brand recall through your unique visual experience, create seasonal excitement for winter promotion. Now we are going to learn step by step process how to add this snow animation section on your Shopify online store. So here is the step 1. First of all, we have to create a section file, and you know how we can create a section file. You can follow this guideline. Go to your Shopify admin panel and online store themes. So I'm going to my Shopify admin panel. One second. First of all, you have to log in. Here is my Shopify admin panel, then online store, then here's the theme section. Right now I am on the theme section. We have to wait a little bit time. Okay, then we have to click on the action edit code. So going to click on the edit code section. So it will take a little bit time to load the edit code section, so you have to wait. Okay, then let me close everything. Okay, we are right now on the code edit section. Then you have to open section folder and click on here to create a new file. So I'm going to click on here. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to create a file snow animation.liquid. So I'm going to create a file or search it because I have already created a file snow animation liquid. You see, I have already created a file named snow animation under the liquid folder, so I don't have to create this file again. So you have to create it on the under the section folder. You see, we are right now under the section folder. Then you have to add this code snippet on the snow animation file. Okay, you will get the ready code snippet. Then you have to create the CSS file. So where you will add this CSS file, go to your asset folder and add a file named snow animation. So you have to open your asset folder and create a new file named snow animation, but I have already added. So you see, snow animation.css under asset folder, so I don't have to create it again. Just paste this code after create the file, then create the JavaScript. So where you will add snow animation.js under the asset folder. This is very simple process. So search again snow animation.js under the asset folder and simply paste this code on your snow animation.js file. Okay, I'm going to scroll down. Then add snow animation to your home page. We have already make ready this section by coding. Just copy and paste. You don't have to know anything or hire any developer or any coding experience. Then we are going to our step 2, how to add snow animation to your home page. Okay, as we have make everything ready on the file section, now we have to go to our Shopify admin panel and then click on the customize. And you can see that I'm going to remove this one for now. Okay, and now as I have removed it, you don't see this snow animation effect. So now I'm going to add, click on this plus icon and search snow, and you see special effect snow animation. Okay, and click on the save. Yes, then we are going to make a reload to get the result in live. Okay, and now you can see the snow animation theme option on the theme customize section, and you can see that you can enable or disable snow animation. You can add the number of snowfall count, snowfall speed. Let me show you. We have changed the snowfall speed. You see, we make it fast, we can make it slow, we can make it slow. Click on the save. Okay, so we can make it fast by increasing number, and we can make it slow by decreasing number. So we can keep it as it. Okay, also we can change the snowfall size. Now see, it will be large snow. You see, now you can see the large snow. And then snow color, we can change the color, but by default is white, and white is perfect. Wind effect, we can change the wind effect. Also interactive snow performance setting, disable on mobile, we can disable on mobile. Respect reduce motion, we can do this, disable for user with motion sensitive. So here is all the details. So I hope you understand how to add snow animation on your Shopify online store without hiring any developer, without any coding skill. So if you want to do this, then check out the link in the video description. I have already published a article on my website e-commerce thesis, where you will find this step by step guideline, also the ready code snippet. So check out the link in the video description and start adding snow animation on your Shopify online store. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.